The third Thursday of October is annually recognized as Unity Day. After adapting to restrictions last year by offering a neighborhood drive-through version, Riverside Elementary was excited to be back in person for their annual Unity Parade around the school. Held during National Bullying Prevention Month, Unity Day is a chance for students to show unity for kindness, acceptance, and inclusion. By wearing bright orange, students send a visible message that no child should ever experience bullying. In the days leading up to the parade, each classroom worked on designing their creative banners and posters to make their unified message loud and clear. For the first time ever, Riverside's Unity Parade was led by their newly formed Boomin' Bears drumline. Student musicians have been working with music teacher Mitzi Emblich to showcase their budding talents and proudly lead their classmates and teachers on a spirited parade. Newport News police officers also attended to keep the parading students safe and encourage their message of kindness and unity.